In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage templates in HubSpot so you can stay organized, save time, and keep your messaging consistent across your team. Whether you're creating sales email templates, support responses, or internal messaging frameworks, knowing how to properly manage your templates inside HubSpot is essential. I'll walk you step by step through where to find them and how to create, move, share, clone, and delete templates the right way. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the main navigation menu at the top of the screen and click on Home to make sure you're on the main HubSpot overview page. From here, we're going to access the CRM tools. In the top navigation bar, click on CRM. When the drop-down menu appears, look for Message Templates and click on it. This will take you to the Templates Management area, where all your saved templates are stored. Now you're inside the Templates dashboard. This is where you can fully manage your templates. Let's go over what you can do here. First, if you want to create a new template, look for the Create Template button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click it, choose whether it's a personal template or a shared team template, and then enter your subject line and email body. You can use personalization tokens to automatically insert contact details like first name, company name, or other CRM properties. Once you're done, click Save, and your new template will appear in the list. Next, let's talk about moving templates. If your account uses folders to organize templates, you can move a template into a different folder to keep everything structured. Simply select the template, choose the Move option, and select the destination folder. This is especially helpful if you're organizing templates by department, campaign, or sales pipeline stage. Now let's look at managing sharing permissions. Some templates are private, while others can be shared with your team. To manage sharing, select the template and adjust the visibility settings. You can choose to keep it private, share with specific users, or make it accessible to your entire team, depending on your HubSpot subscription and permissions. This ensures the right people have access to the right messaging. Another useful feature is cloning templates. If you want to reuse an existing template but make small changes, you don't have to start from scratch. Just select the template and click Clone. This creates a duplicate copy that you can edit without affecting the original. Cloning is perfect for creating variations for different audiences or campaigns. Finally, if you have outdated or unused templates, you can delete them. Select the template you no longer need and choose Delete. Keeping your template library clean prevents confusion and ensures your team only uses approved messaging. And that's it. That's how you manage templates in HubSpot, including creating, organizing, sharing, cloning, and deleting them. Once you understand this section, maintaining consistent communication across your sales or support teams becomes much easier. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.